When you create the product you love, there will become times when it will be really hard.
Basically, the main challenge was the size of the task, I guess.
It's hard to speak about emotions. Yeah. Especially for engineers.
We were in a team where everybody wanted to, not to show off, but to really change something.
We spent a lot of time in the office. We came mostly each weekend.
So I guess the biggest benefit that we all had is that everyone working on IntelliJ IDEA was also using the product on a day-by-day basis. For many people, this has helped a lot because it makes it very easy to empathize with the user.
The majority of developers I've tended to talk to do like the way IntelliJ IDEA works. Like, it just kind of helps them stay in the flow.
It feels like you're in the cockpit of a fighter jet. There's just this incredible sophistication there at your fingertips.
And at some moment you stop noticing the tool itself.
There are a number of times when I remember feeling like, how the heck did it figure out that that's what I wanted it to do?
IntelliJ gets out of your way.
Best-in-class developer experience.
Amazing Maven support.
Ahead of everyone when it came to IDE features.
Okay, we look at the competitors, we look at all these IDEs. If we were to rebuild something like this, how much stuff would have to be there?
I must say that the competition, of course, was there.
Eclipse was number one because it was free and mediocre. IntelliJ was a commercial tool and it cost money, and a lot of developers didn't want to pay money for development tools, but the good ones did.
From commercial perspective, this competition should have been lost.
And as soon as you become the number one, there's always someone who's trying to chase you, and your job is much harder than theirs because they learn from what you're doing and they just imitate. You have to be the first one. You have to experiment. You have to invent.
It was deep in the night. I was texting some colleagues or reading through the forum and understanding that, God, maybe I have killed this company.
And that was specifically because of?